Hey y'all, the next recipe I'm going to share with you is just so good. Have y'all ever had the layered like dig deep salad, you know, with your lettuce and all your different layering? Well, we're making a layered salad, but we're making a cornbread layered salad. Now the cornbread recipe that I use when I make cornbread, we're sending you a link to that one. But today, I just used, Teresa and Eddie did this for me. While they were prepping here, I was trying to prep here. So I wouldn't scare y'all to death. But this cornbread is made from that. But you know what? If you like a little sweet, there's nothing wrong with using one of those. So this recipe takes a little long, but that's because of all the prepping. And once you get it prepped, it's like a 3-minute recipe. So Teresa did a fabulous job. Look how perfect those peppers are diced. I mean, perfect. If I had diced them, they wouldn't look that good, I'll tell you. Because I just chop. So we've got our cornbread cut into cubes, our tomatoes, our bell pepper, our onion, our niblet corn, and our red kidney beans. And so we're just gonna start layering. And I think I tell you see how pretty this is gonna be? And you can make this, I know you should chill it probably at least 2 hours, but I would almost think it'd be fine overnight, don't you, Teresa? Yeah. Like the lettuce layered salad. Now what did here they are.
And you don't have to probably put the dressing on until the next morning.
Yeah.
Let that sit for a little while. Right.
But
no, it can be made.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, so I'm gonna put these on as they're listed in the recipe. I think that'll be right in the bottom of the place. Later. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you'll wanna make sure that all this is drained real good. So we had a little interruption in our filming, so I hope I don't lose anything anywhere. But anyway, we've put our cornbread in the bottom that's been cubed, and then a can of red kidney beans that's been drained real good. And the next layer is the niblet corn. And again, you just want to make sure that you drain all these real good so your cornbread won't get soggy. But look at those beautiful colors. And you know, I just can't help but think this has got to be nutritious with all your vegetables. All right, the next layer is the onion. And I'm using, is this the Vidalia onion or the strawberry onion?
That's actually Vidalia.
Okay, so we got this sweet Vidalia onion going on, and we're just gonna spread that out. And the next layer is the beautiful bell pepper that's been cut perfectly. I came in here while Teresa was prepping this, and she had just a regular little knife, and she was cutting each one of those just perfect. God love her. I said, Teresa, that might take you all day. All right, that was just something else I got going on. All right, so the last layer is the tomatoes. And you'll want to drain those too. Just run those in a colander. But there's only so much draining you can do to them, because the water is just gonna keep escaping from those tomatoes, and you can see all the juice that's come to them after they've been drained. So all we can do is the best we can. Alrighty. Now, if you don't like these ingredients, feel free to change them around. You know, maybe you don't like bell pepper, but maybe you love English peas. So swap it. All right, let's see. The next thing we're gonna add is the cheese. So this is 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. I think I might save a little bit of this to go on top. You know what sounds good to me for this? Is some bacon. Wouldn't some bacon be good with all these tomatoes and... All right. So look at all the beautiful colors. I just love that. All right, so now I am going to spoon over 1 8-ounce bottle of ranch dressing. And to me, 8 ounces is a cup, but I make my own ranch dressing. You know, you can buy the ranch dressing in, you know, the large bottles, not just an envelope. And I like buying this because that'll last me a pretty good while. All right, so 1 cup of ranch dressing. And to me, this, when I make it like this, it's just so much better because I use buttermilk and it's got that twang to it. So I hope we're gonna have the patience to wait a couple of hours on this one, Teresa.
I doubt we will.
That looks positively good enough to eat, doesn't it? All right. Just a little cheese for the top. See, that makes it pretty, doesn't it? Some nuts would be good on it too. Remember, I'm having a nut day. All right, so that's it. Ready to go in the refrigerator, and it needs to sit a minimum of 2 hours, y'all. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. It's certainly something a little different from like your lettuce salads, right? So y'all try it. I hope you love it. And you know, I'm always here trying to wish y'all best dishes and love. Oh, a few tomatoes makes it pretty too, doesn't it?
Toasted,
Always trying to make it more beautiful.
toasted pine nuts, that would be good on
Toasted pine nuts would be wonderful, Eddie. But we ain't got none.